Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. And first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your smart band, so tap on it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After the menu opens, scroll down and look for the option called the settings. And once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter. In settings, we need to find the option called display. And after you find it, tap on it. And here we have this option called auto lock. Select it. And as you can see, we have a list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 5 minutes. Select the one you like. For example, I'll select 20 seconds. And then once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to home screen. Okay, and at this point, my screen timeout was set to 20 seconds. So it should take 20 seconds of an activity for the screen to turn off. So if I won't touch the smart band or the screen on my smart band for 20 seconds, it should turn off to save power. And it should be soon, quite right about now, I would say. Yep. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.